In the previous video we were doing the cross-section lines along the horizontal curve, and I have completed the numbers of each cross-section as well as the stations and to prepare the file for you now. But we said that there are certain special cross-sections along the curve, such as the beginning, the middle point, and the end of the curve. The beginning is TC, we already located that. Now we're going to find the M point, M cross-section, and also the CT cross-section. Obviously the end of the curve is here, so this is 35, cross-section number 35 doesn't land on the TC point, so therefore we're going to produce another cross-section because it's a special cross-section for the end of the curve, the beginning of the second alignment. Let's find the midpoint M first. Somewhere here in the middle we will have a special cross-section M. There are different ways of finding that point. One way could be to locate the center of this arc. Click on this center button, then choose the arc. Here we have the center of this circular arc. Then I would draw a line from CT, which is this, up to TC, that point. That is the line joining the TC and CT points. Also another line from the center perpendicular to this point, that is the midpoint of that as well. You can check that by measuring the distance from this point till here, and from here to there they should be equal to each other. Then I would extend this line until it hits my circular arc, and that is M, point M. I have located point M now. Obviously it is slightly further than cross-section 24. Let's name it first. Okay. M, midpoint. We can delete that now. Sorry, we can't delete it. Can't delete it now. We're going to need it. We can delete this instead. Okay, and also the station needs to be written down here as well. But let's place this, copy one of the cross sections from midpoint, and then paste it here. Okay, that's it. Now we can delete this auxiliary line. Because I have two cross sections that are very close to each other, you can delete this number 24. M is a special cross section, you can't get rid of it, but we can get rid of this number 24. Okay, so I'm going to delete that. Also delete the cross section which is this. So this is a special cross section that has to be there, M, and I need to update its station. Don't forget to update its station as well, so you can delete this, and then that needs to be updated. You have to measure the distance from the previous cross section up to M and then update that. Also here we have CT, point CT. Similarly, copy this cross section on the midpoint and then paste it here. Okay, and also name it can delete 35 because they are these are very close to each other. You can sacrifice this, you can sacrifice that, and that needs to be moved slightly like that. And obviously you have to update the station of that cross section as well. That is the length of the curve, which you know, plus the length of the first alignment. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to start from there.